Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Amrita. आप इंग्लिश समझ लेते हैं, you can listen to it, you can read it, you can even speak a little English. But then someone says, please send me a message. और अचानक दिमाग में एक छोटा सा अर्थक्वेक आ जाता है. ओह नो, इस सेंटेंस में टेंस कौन सा लगेगा? स्पेलिंग सही है? ये वर्ड नेचुरल लग रहा है क्या? Should I write I am waiting for your reply or I wait for your reply? And suddenly the English that seemed so easy while speaking becomes difficult when you have to write it. So today let's talk about something that many English learners ignore, that is writing. Why writing is so important, and writing English or writing any language that you're learning is so important. And no, I am not going to tell you that you need to write 10 pages every day. Let's look at what writing can actually do for your English. So I'm going to talk about a few points. Please listen to them carefully. Number one, writing makes you slow down and notice your English. जब हम इंग्लिश बोलते हैं, हम ऑफन क्विकली बोल जाते हैं, बहुत तेजी से बोल जाते हैं. कभी ग्रामर मिस्टेक हो गई, कभी रॉन्ग वर्ड बोल दिया, कभी सिंपली हम मूव ऑन कर जाते हैं बोल करके. बट राइटिंग इज डिफरेंट. व्हेन यू राइट शी गो टू ऑफिस एवरी डे, आपके पास रुकने का टाइम होता है, आप सेंटेंस को देख सकते हैं. शी गो, something doesn't look right. Then you remember she goes to the office every day. That's a very important part of learning. Writing gives your brain time to notice your mistakes. इसलिए अगर आप स्पोकन इंग्लिश इम्प्रूव करना चाहते हैं, राइटिंग को कंप्लीटली इग्नोर मत कीजिए. राइटिंग एंड स्पीकिंग एक दूसरे के एनिमीज नहीं हैं, दे सपोर्ट ईच अदर. Number two, writing helps you build active vocabulary. अब एक इंटरेस्टिंग प्रॉब्लम देखिए कि आपको वर्ड मान लीजिए रिलक्टेंट का मीनिंग पता है कि इसका मतलब होता है अनिच्छुक, कोई भी काम करने में अनिच्छुक होना. आपने इसे पढ़ा है, आप इसे समझ सकते हैं. ही वॉज रिलक्टेंट टू एक्सेप्ट द ऑफर. बट जब आपको खुद बोलना हो, वो ऑफर एक्सेप्ट करने में इंटरेस्टेड नहीं था, वर्ड याद नहीं आ रहा. This happens because the word is in your receptive vocabulary. You recognize it, but you don't use it comfortably. Writing can help move vocabulary from receptive to productive vocabulary. मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया था और उसमें आई टॉक्ड अबाउट दिस रिसेप्टिव एंड प्रोडक्टिव वोकैबुलरी के बारे में. अगर आप उसको देखना चाहते हैं, यू कैन क्लिक ऑन द आई बटन एंड वॉच दैट वीडियो, और यू कैन गो टू द प्लेलिस्ट एंड वॉच द वीडियो. सो एक एग्जाम्पल है. इंस्टेड ऑफ सिंपली लर्निंग कि रिलक्टेंट का मतलब अनिच्छुक होता है, राइट आई वॉज रिलक्टेंट टू चेंज माई जॉब. Then write another sentence. She was reluctant to speak in front of the audience. Now the word has a context, and the context makes your vocabulary easier to remember. Now, number three, you don't need to write essays. Essays लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है आपको. अब प्लीज ये मत सोचिएगा, oh God, Amrita is telling me to write essays every day. No, writing can be very small. If you write an A1, means in A1 English, if you're writing, if you're an A1 learner, मतलब कि आपको basic English आती है, start with very simple sentences. I woke up at 7, I had tea, I went to work. That's writing. और उससे थोड़ा सा above level जो A2 level होता है, या B1 learner अगर आप हैं, so you can write a few connected sentences. For example, I had a busy day today. I finished my work late, so I couldn't meet my friend. That's already helping you practice grammar, vocabulary, and sentence structure. At B2 level, यानी कि उससे थोड़ा सा above जो level अगर आपका है, you can start explaining your opinions. आपके जो ओपिनियन है, जो आपके विचार है, उनको आप एक्सप्लेन करना शुरू कर सकते हैं. I believe working from home has several advantages, but it can also make people feel isolated. तो कोई टॉपिक लेकर आप उसके ऊपर बोल सकते हैं. एंड एट C1 और C2 राइटिंग, यानी कि जो एडवांस लर्नर्स होते हैं, जो बेहतर और अच्छी इंग्लिश बोल सकते हैं, उनके लिए राइटिंग बिकम्स मच मोर sophisticated. You can learn to compare ideas, build arguments, express nuance, use tone, organize complex thoughts. So writing grows with you. You don't have to start by writing like Shakespeare. And please don't. Shakespeare has already done enough. So the next point is, number 4 point is, writing teaches you how to organize your thoughts. Writing का एक और beautiful benefit है, it teaches you organize your thoughts. Suppose someone asks you, why do you want to learn English? आपके माइंड में बहुत सारे थॉट्स आ जाते हैं, जॉब के लिए, कॉन्फिडेंस के लिए, ट्रैवल के लिए, इंटरव्यूज के लिए. बट when you write your answer, you have to organize your thoughts. For example, I want to improve my English because it will help me communicate more confidently at work. It will also allow me to understand international context more easily. Now, your thoughts have a structure, and this skill doesn't stay inside your head or your notebook. It comes back when you speak, because because a person who can organize their thoughts on paper often finds it easier to organize them while speaking too. Number 5. Writing is extremely important in real life. आपकी जो real life होती है उसमें writing is very very important, crucial है. प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ की बात करते हैं. आज हम क्या क्या लिखते हैं, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट इट. आज हम व्हाट्सएप मैसेजेस लिखते हैं, वी राइट ईमेल्स, जॉब एप्लीकेशंस, सीवीज, कवर लेटर्स, कमेंट्स, सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट्स, college assignments, business proposals, reports. Even a simple message can create an impression. Compare these two messages. One, send me the details. And two, could you please send me the details when you have a moment? दोनों का basic purpose same है, but the second one sounds more polite and professional. So good writing isn't just about grammar, it's also about clarity, tone, vocabulary, and purpose. And these become increasingly important as your English level improves. Now, next, number 6. Writing shows you what you really know. There's another reason I really want English learners to write. Sometimes we think मेरी English तो अच्छी है, मैं सब समझ लेता हूँ या समझ लेती हूँ. But understanding English and producing English are two different skills. आप एक डिफिकल्ट आर्टिकल पढ़ सकते हैं, आप उसका मीनिंग समझ सकते हैं, but can you explain the same idea in your own words? That's where writing becomes a useful test. For example, read something interesting today, then close it and write just 3 sentences about what you understood. If you can do that, you're not simply able to recognize English, you are able to produce English. And that's a much stronger skill. Number 7. So how should you start? अब आपने कहा ठीक है, I mean fine, I have understood everything, but how should I begin? How should I start? तो क्वेश्चन ये है कि मैं राइटिंग इम्प्रूव कैसे करूं. My suggestion is very simple. Don't wait until your English becomes perfect or you become perfect at English. Start writing with the English you already know. A1, अगर आप basic learner हैं, write 3 sentences a day. A2, उससे थोड़ा सा above level है आपका, write 5 sentences. B1, write a short paragraph. B2, write your opinion about something. किसी भी चीज के बारे में कोई भी विचार है, कोई न्यूज चल रही है आजकल, उसके बारे में आपका विचार क्या है, आपका ओपिनियन क्या है. फिर आता है C1 और C2. अगर आप एक एडवांस लर्नर्स हैं, तो challenge yourself to write with better precision, tone, structure, and nuance. And one more thing, don't write only to finish the writing. Write to notice your English. After writing, go back and ask yourself, can I make these sentences clearer? Can I use a better word? Is my tense correct? Does this sound natural? Uh, that's where the real learning happens. So, if you are learning English, remember, listening helps you understand English, reading exposes you to English, speaking helps you use English, and writing helps you organize, produce, and refine your English. You don't need a fancy notebook. You don't need to write 10 pages. And you definitely don't need to wait until you are perfect at English. Start small. Write 3 sentences. Tomorrow, write 3 more. Because every sentence you write gives you another opportunity to notice a word, practice a structure, correct a mistake, and express an idea. And slowly, something beautiful happens. The English that once existed only in your textbooks, in your notebook, starts becoming your English. You don't just read English, you don't just listen to English, you don't just speak English, you write it too. Because when you write, you don't just practice English, you learn to think more clearly in English. So, thank you so much for watching. If you've been following this series on listening, reading, speaking, and now writing, I hope you're beginning to see that improving English isn't about finding one magical shortcut. It's about giving yourself opportunities to listen, read, speak, and write. And little by little, your English elevates. So if you want to watch the video on listening, reading, and speaking, I'll also leave the link in the description. And thank you so much. I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.